Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. I had a wonderful customer who had a 1992 Chevy 1500. Had over 300,000 miles on it. It wouldn't start. He done spent like $1,000 actually, and had nothing to do with us changing timing, doing this and doing that. Told him straight up, let it go. Put it on the machine. The machine spoke for itself. It had so many things that the spider injectors, the computer wasn't halfway working, literally half of it was working. What the point of the story is, I told him that you spent $300 and you spent over $1,000 in repairs, let it go. This is your ex-girlfriend. Kind of like, get a new boot, get a new vehicle, break up, move on. With that being said, I'm straightforward. If you like this video, please like, share, and follow. Thank you.